I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials. You need a verified YouTube channel and the exact URL you want to share. Once signed in, open the channel page and decide whether you want the link in your About tab, channel banner, or a video description. Make sure you already copied the target URL and a short anchor text. Start by clicking Customize Channel. This immediately opens the editor where you'll add links. Don't pause, move to the Links section to insert the URL and label. Once inside the channel editor, go to Basic Info to manage links. This area controls the About tab and banner overlays. Click Add Link, paste the channel URL or external page, and type a clear title so viewers recognize it. You can add multiple links and reorder them. Drag to set priority. After adding, press Publish or Save, then check both desktop and mobile views. Make sure the link appears where you intended and that its title reads naturally. Testing avoids broken navigation. To finish, replicate the link in at least one pinned video description and a channel banner so viewers see it everywhere. After publishing, immediately test the link and ensure it opens correctly. If it doesn't, clear your browser cache, resave the link in YouTube Studio, and make sure the URL uses the correct HTTPS protocol. If problems persist, try a different browser or device. Finally, monitor click data in YouTube or UTM-tagged analytics and tweak anchor tag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.